I'm recording now. Start the recording. Okay. Hello, are you there? What is the relationship between Y and B? B and Y, what is the relationship? What is it called? What's it called? Okay. No. No, based on what I just explained, it is what? Corresponding. Now, I've told you that I've answered that. Now, can you tell me why they are corresponding angles? Can you tell me why? Based on what is just what you have been saying since. Huh?
Because they have similar positions.
Okay, like what? What are those similar positions? Tell more.
B is up and K is.
I'm talking of B and Y, not K. B and Y. B and Y.
Oh, B is up and K and Y is up. B is up and Y is also up.
Okay. And what's your second reason?
Yes, sir.
What is the second reason? What is the second reason?
They are equal?
No. There's another reason why they must be equal. You said one, they are both at the top on those lines. The second reason is what? Is it left or right?
Huh?
Is it are they both on the left hand side?
I did not hear you properly.
Are they both on the left hand side or the right hand side?
Right hand side.
Are they both on the left or on the right hand side? So that's the way, another reason why they are corresponding angles. And corresponding angles are always what? They are always equal. Is that fine? Okay, let's move on. Okay, that's good. Let's continue. Oh, somebody left. Somebody left. Okay. Now, so what we are doing now is, I hope you are still there with me. Hello, you are all unmuted now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what I'll see, talk to Fikayo to stop.
Stop shouting.
Stop looking at me like that.
Fikayo, I'll beat you. I'll come
Yusuph
there
said
now.
that
I'll
going to beat
disappear.
you.
I'll disappear then I'll beat you.
Okay, man, come on.
Okay, let me just now. Okay, this is what we're going to do now. We're going to solve a question now. A, keep looking at your screen. Can you see it clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In case if you are using your tab, you can zoom it. You can zoom. Okay. If you are using your tab, you can zoom. Okay. A is equals to X because they are corresponding angle. And is written on the board, on the screen. Okay. Also, B is equals to Y because they are corresponding. And I can also say K is equals to G. Okay. You can see as I'm typing, K is equals to G. They are what? Corresponding. Corresponding angles. Are what? They are equal. Now, so based on this right now, we'll be solving some questions. Okay. Now, I don't know. Have you even taken note of this? Have you written this in your notes? Do you have any notes with you there?
Yes, sir.
Have you drawn this diagram? This one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Who said no? I'll be changing the values now. I'm already picking a question. I'm changing the value. Yeah, I have. Let's say 3x.
Christiana.
3x plus, let me say, plus, let me call this angle 45. Okay, 45 degree. Are you with me? And let me call this place. Let me call this place. Okay, admin. Hello, David. Come on. You're welcome, David. Welcome, David. Has he joined? David, you're welcome. Welcome, David. Welcome. David, you're online.
Yes.
Okay. I'm muting you, but you still be hearing me. Just don't worry. Okay. So kindly look at the screen now. I just changed A to 3x. And I changed what was there before. I changed it to 45. And I changed the value here to something was here. Okay, I'm changing x to, let's say, I'm changing this x to, let's say, okay, let me quickly work something out. Okay, let me call this value here. Let me call it 1. Are you with me? Let me change. I think this should be more, it shouldn't be up to, okay. Okay, please hold on. Okay, let me call it 120. Call this 120. Okay. So, are you with me? Now, this angle here is 120. This is 3x. I'm calling this, let me call this, okay. Just hold on, please. Okay. Now, please, what you will do now is this. Let me call this, I think, what was here before? Let's call it B. B was here before, right? Now, what we are going to do now is this. You find the value of x, find the value of x, b, k, y, z, and g. So let me quickly unmute everybody. Hello. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
So what we're going to do now is we find the value of x, b, k, y, z, and g. That's what we're all going to do now. Okay? So I'm muting everybody back. We are going to find x, b, k, y, z, and g. So now, I'll be asking one after the other. So let me quickly share another screen with you. Okay. Okay. Now I'm moving on to another screen now. Please, I believe you have all written down this, you've drawn this diagram as well as taken down these values. Okay, I got a chart. Sir, you didn't unmute me. Yes, Moyo. I have to mute everyone because of the noise, the background noise, okay? I believe you can hear me. Okay, can you? Or do you want to talk to me? Let me know via this chat. Come in. Hello, Moyo.
Hello, sir.
You want to
Yes,
say
sir.
something, right? Okay, I'm listening to you. What's that? You said I didn't unmute you.
Yes, sir. Wow,
Do you want to say something? You want to say something, right?
No, I only said that because you said that you are going to unmute.
Oh, I already did that. So just keep following, right? I'll share another screen with you. I'm going to share another screen with you now.
Yes, sir.
So so let me join the, so think was this. Okay. So just follow my screen. Okay. Hello. Hello. In the next 10 minutes, this video will be disconnected. You will have to join again. Okay. You'll have to rejoin.
Yes,
I believe
sir.
you should be seeing my screen now. Can you see my screen now? The new
Yes,
screen.
sir.
Okay. I'm using a whiteboard now. Hope you are not tired. Somebody is joining. Okay, so who's this? Oh, David disconnected again. So this is a whiteboard. We'll be going offline in the next 10 minutes. And you will have to rejoin. Sorry. Okay. Let me erase everything I'm having on this screen. Wait, what are you doing? Okay. So now, Can you all hear me? Can you all hear me?
Yes, sir.
All of you. Hello? Okay. So now, so based on that diagram you drew, you see that 3x and b, they are both on the same straight line, right? Yes or no? Yes. Now, and we know that 3x plus b is equals to what? 180 degree, right? Okay. Did you all see what I just drew? Do you all see that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hello, Precious.
Hello, David.
Hello, Precious. Hello.
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 Okay. The noise is too much from there. You are not concentrating. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Who is that? Who is that?
Yes.
So you've not been following
Williams.
what I'm writing. Now, I wrote 3x equals to 120. Can you tell me the reason why it is equal? Why is 3x equals to 120? Why is 3x equals to 120? Can you tell me? Do you know it? Do you know it? Yes or no?
No.
Hello? Is that Moyo Ayobami? Moyo Ayobami. Okay, sorry. Ayobami. Sorry. Ayobami, how are you? Ayobami, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. I have on my screen 3x equals to 120. Why? How? Can you tell me, can you explain to me why 3x equals to 120 based on what we just explained?
Because they are corresponding.
Do you know why? Exactly, they are corresponding angles, and we said corresponding angles occupy similar positions. Now let me quickly go back to, okay, let me quickly display my that screen with you again on this upper line. Secondly, it is also at the top. This is the top, this is the bottom. 120 is to the left, this is the left, this is the right. This 120 degrees to the left. And secondly, it is also at the top. This is the top of this line. This is the bottom of this line.
Yes, sir.
So because 3x is at the top, 120 is at the top of this line, and also 3x is to the left, and 120 is to the left. So 3x is equals to 120. Corresponding angles are equal. I want to believe Moyo and David too are listening to me. Stop playing, okay? So that is why they are equal. Don't forget, please, you'll have to reconnect in the next 1 minute. In the next 1 minute, 30 seconds, this class lesson will be disconnected. You'll have to join back again like 5 to 10 minutes because I have to save this recording so you can listen to it later because of those that are not online. So now I'm going back to the previous screen. Where is it? Okay, now. So now let's now continue with this solving. Okay, let me mute you. Pikayo, if I catch you. Okay, now here. So if this is 3x, this 3x means 3 times x. And what do we do to get our x? We have to divide both sides by what? 3. And x, we have 3x divided by 3 is equals to 120 divided by 3. Okay, you see the offline. So this, we cancel this. And this 3 goes in 12, that's what? 4 times. Okay, and 3 goes in 0, that's what? 0. So that means x is equals to what? 40. Is that okay? So this will be disconnected very soon. That once you are able to get just one of these, then every other